In this video, I will show you how you can find the downloads folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app drawer, and from here, just open the My Files app. After you open the My Files app, you will find the download section over here. Now just tap on downloads, and from here, just make sure you select all. Now after you do that, you will open the downloads folder and you will find all the downloaded files on your Samsung phone. Now you also have the option for categories. As you can see, if you select all, you will find all the downloads folder. But if you only want to see the files which you have downloaded from Google Chrome, for example, just select Chrome and you will find all the files which are downloaded using Chrome. And similarly, you have the option for Clean Hub, Free Download Manager, and Other. And this is how you can find the downloads folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.